Today I'm gonna show you how to draw venom. So first we have to draw the rough sketch of the venom. For the rough sketch I'm using a blue color pencil. So yeah. Now that the face is complete, we have to make the teeth of the venom now. So let's get started with that. Remember, the teeth of the venom are all crooked. So yeah, this is the style of the venom. So draw them crooked. Now the venom is really getting in shape, and it's like really showing up now. Though is quite a bit left, but still it turns out it's turning out really good. By this time the rough sketch is complete, and now it's time to move on to the pencil one. So let's get to it. Okay guys, let's start with the pencil drawing. This drawing you have to really like override the rough sketch that you draw. So like just overlay. It's not that hard, but you have to be careful. You have to be pretty careful and add a little bit more details in this drawing, so like it really pops out. Now that I have finished the drawing with the pencil, it's time to move on to the marker one. It the marker one like really fine tunes the venom and makes it look so awesome. Like it looks realistic at this point. Thank you guys for staying this long in this video. I hope you learned something new. Bye bye.
¿Qué onda, muchacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Le enseño rolas de rock, back frente.